Hey guys, I'm going to be opening my presents now.
Yeah.
This is my cousin, my other cousin's there. Then this is my friend, Poppy. And I'm going to open this one first. She's laughing because she's never been in it.
We also have slimes.
Yeah.
And we're going to show you our slime. We're also going to show you we're going to show you these slimes after when we're finished.
Yeah. Okay, so this is a card. Oh God, Jesus. Okay.
And she's got
this.
money, and it's £10.
Love Elsie.
Love Elsie. Show the card. Show the card.
Show the card.
Show the card.
So guys, this is the card. I got 10 by a night. Yeah. And then put that aside. Okay, I'm opening this one next.
What's that?
Stop! Right, who wants to be on YouTube? Do you want to be on YouTube,
Go
someone?
this way.
No, I've got my microphone.
Okay.
As you can, if you didn't see this card, here you go. Isn't that true? Okay, look. If you didn't see it, look at this. But one said they didn't forgot to look at the iPad. What? One said they forgot to look at it. And look, the weapon paper stuck on the side.
That ain't. Okay, guys, who's this from? It's to Molly. Is it? Oh yeah.
Okay, so this one's from her other cousin.
Write your name.
This one's from her cousin. Wee slime. This slime looks like a different colour.
No, that's 25. Yeah.
We're going to show her the slime from the background, yeah?
I'm gonna open this one. Who's this from?
Me.
Wait, and I'll see.
Hey! The slime's on my foot.
Oh God, 10.
You chose
Grace.
35.
Grace.
I love your slime. Okay,
And then I'm opening this one.
Look, and it matches the colour.
Grace.
Your slime, doesn't it?
Yeah.
This one is called
Banana.
Banana. I want to eat all the banana.
They are custom.
As you can see when I opened the lid off.
Oh God, I got a birthday badge. Lots of love. Oh, money.
And here's
Money.
look like.
Lots of love. Thank you, Esme.
And as you can see, smells good. Smell it, guys.
Okay, I'm opening this one. Will you write Grace? You open my one.
And this is, by the way, this is Molly, and she's here. The birthday girl, of course. Isn't that true?
I got this card.
And look, this is green slime.
I gave you that.
It looks like a different colour.
Thank you. That's okay. Who gave you that? Let's put in there.
And then here's her card. Show it. Show it for your opening.
Okay, it's this.
Did you show the card?
Yeah.
Okay. And then I'm going to put these slimes back. I'm going to open.
Oh God, 10.
This is probably the worst slime, guys, but don't
Just it.
But always
don't
put,
judge it.
always put a thumbs up, not a thumbs
Look
down.
at all the money. Thumbs up.
And here's this slime. It's glittery. It's gold
Come
glitter.
down.
This is supposed to be clear slime, but
I've
it's
got
not
this
worked
card
out.
here.
And when you squeeze it, goes all over, but you can't scratch it. Isn't that true? And this slime, I forgot to show you the name tag. And let me show you the name tag now.
It's C.
So, and that is a weird name, but don't boo us again.
Thank you,
I'm
Isla.
going to show you.
Isla. Okay.
This is, look, show the card. Okay, this is the card. And
got me Molly
and it's from me.
Okay,
If you want to
guys,
film
I'm
it.
opening this one now.
Now she's going to open a giant present, and it's called,
Yeah.
who is it gone from?
What?
Who is it gone from?
Tilly Rose. Tilly Rose. Right, Tilly Rose.
And it is, whoa! Show her the Luchibus. Show them. Show them.
Tilly got me this.
It's like a bag. And it's like so cool.
Yeah.
I'm going to show you the clear slime. I'm going to do the card. And is that your slime?
Oh yeah, I'm going to do the card, guys.
As you can see, that girl over there with the yellow slime, she is just showing the yellow slime.
And I popped it by the way, so my yellow slime.
And this is the...
Oh, what did you get?
We did a YouTube video.
All the money.
Do you feel unfair?
Where's she got that?
Where's your mum gone? She's left stuff.
Yeah, my dad
What time did he say he'll pick you up? Ah, the weapon paper.
What time did he say you
Can't say paper, you said paper. Paper. We want to show your slimes out, they're so cool. Can you pass me my slimes?
Oh.
They're there.
Okay, I'm taking the money.
No, can I count it?
No, I am.
No. Okay, as you can see though, I'm sorry about the weapon paper. I'm sorry about the weapon paper. But
Okay,
guys. Okay. But here it is. The first slime I'm going to show you is this slime. I named it. And what is that called? I don't know.
So this is the yellow slime
And here it is.
cherry Coca-Cola.
There.
So you
As you
hear
can see in the
this.
background.
So
I poked it, and when you take it out, you can stretch, tinkle, tinkle, and you can swirl it, and then you can. Oh wait a second, name it on the table, like here.
wait, don't do that.
No.
And then this.
And look, this slime is so cool. I love it. Swirl.
I got £80.
Oh, Molly!
Where is it?
Molly! The video!
Oh yeah, the video.
Okay, she's back. I just got her back.
I'm back.
Okay.
So we're going to show our slimes.
Look,
Where's my other one? Is that mine?
This.
Oh, there's mine. Okay, guys, this is mine. It's banana.
Yeah, it's cool. I already showed that one. I already showed it. Okay, we're going to show the banana one again.
Banana one.
This one is like
Scented
this.
smell, guys.
Right, what did you
This
make
one
then,
is
Louise?
this. Smell it. Smells like bubble gum.
Yeah, and then I've got C.
Don't get your things mixed up. Where's
I
all
got
yours,
C.
Molly?
Hers is in a pile.
Where's yours, Popsy?
Yeah.
I'm keeping mine in the
Right.
pile.
Yeah.
And look at this slime. It's called this.
Can we take it?
Wait, I forgot to show you on this slime.
Is
And
that
this slime's
bag?
called
Yeah.
this.
I
This
think she
one's
just
called
gave it from
this.
home. Yeah.
Here we go to this slime.
Did you spurt? Yeah.
What did you get then, Mole?
This guys. I've got all of this. Thank you for the
I'm making
money.
a
That's
YouTube,
alright. I didn't know what to get you.
video.
Yeah.
Slime party.
Look.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh,
It's not that stretchy, so I'm very sorry. And that's look at this. I named this was mine, and I named it gold. And as you can see, it's lovely gold. It's supposed to be clear. It's supposed to be clear slime, but we added too much glitter.
Okay, my friend's gonna come in now. Okay.
Look.
There she is.
Okay.
Got all yours in the bag, Lice.
Look at her
Guys,
slime.
scented
So cool.
slime. What is cherry Coca-Cola? I'm doing a video later when everyone's
Oh,
gone.
cold this is down
I'm showing
here.
you all my
Whose is
slime.
this?
Not mine.
Not mine.
Oh,
And here's
no.
green slime. It has no name. And
There's me. We have to take it to school with you
And
tomorrow.
then
Yeah. I can follow
it's so stretchy. And I love it. She's singing in the background.
Any more cards? How many you got? One,
there's
two,
5
three,
there.
4, 5, 6. Oh.
As you can see, I'm in the front now. I'll show you this one. Wait, let me show it. Show it.
I think it.
Can I?
Did that come out of yours? Lace. Is this from you? I haven't got any.
Can I show this one?
Wait, no, do those.
I've already done it.
Containers. To Molly. Did you write this? To Molly, you are the best cousin ever. Happy birthday. Oh, Lacey.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this one. I might have
Molly, that's from Lacey.
Okay.
I don't know where that is. I'm going to keep
Now
it
I'm
there.
going to show this
Pink shirt.
bubble gum one.
I will only show when yours one because yours is look.
No,
you want me to show you the? You want me to show the other ones?
What,
Same.
did I not bring
Want me
it
to show the
into
same
you?
ones?
Oh, you might, though.
Want me to show the same ones?
Wait. And then I've got this just normal blue slime.
Show to the ones you
Guys, we've got to go.
Why?
Because we'll do one in a minute. Bye.